This is one more species of jasmine, native jasmine. This one is quite popular in this Malnad area and all in Karnataka. Though exact species name I am not very sure. And this one, it comes in a kind of a bushy formation. And also very aromatic, and it's easy. This one makes for very nice garlands, unlike the previous jasmine I showed, because the flowers are more numerous and also equally fragrant. Then flowers in this season, it's flowering right now, that is April, May and all, and has quite a long flowering season also. Very hardy. This one also we are hardly watering it. Once it's well established and root is formed nicely, then you will not have any issue of watering. And this species, this bunch formation is a nice thing. It's not small 2 or 3 flower buds and 2 to 3 flowers. It's in 10s and 20s. And it can be climbed if you water it well and look after it. You can climb it onto walls and balconies and all also. Oh, that's how it looks. It's become quite a huge thing. You can climb it onto, you can make a something like that stand kind of thing you can make and grow it on that also. Oh, flowers, you can see lots of flowers are there, and also buds are waiting. That is, tomorrow's flowers also will be waiting. So every day you will get from each of these bunches some 10 flowers you can get. And in my estimation, if you feed it well, some 500 flowers and all you may be able to get every day. It's such a profusely flowering plant. Uh, it may be available in your nursery, though the correct species name and of this particular Jasminium, I'm not sure. I'll have to find it out. So out of the 25 jasmines of India, this is also one more. Very nice one. It can be climbed also onto walls and all. If you have an ugly wall, you want to cover it up with something nice, hardy, which doesn't require watering and flowers plenty in the season, aromatic, useful, herb, everything, biodiversity, then go for this.